today is the day we are going to show you what we are building. I'm super excited about it. Hopefully you guys are too.
Just kidding, guys. This is a donor car. This car wasn't salvageable. It was in an accident, and here's what happened.
Alright guys, so here it is. We are going to K-swap Jason's EF. We're going to do a rally car build for Jason. We're going to do it a little different. We're not going to put the shifter on the floor. He wants to keep everything as EP3 as possible. So it'll be a little bit of a unique build. So we're going to put you on a time lapse. We're going to pull motor and as much as we can today. As you can see, lovely Colorado, it snowed. But here we go. What's going on, guys? So it's just a continuation from yesterday. We got the motor out and we are pulling everything else out that we are going to need. Basically we're just stripping the car because it's going to go to the junkyard. I'm going to pull the rear brakes. I think I'm going to try and make, or not try, but I'm going to make some brackets to use EP3 brakes on the rear for the all-wheel drive wagon. And we got everything else out of here we needed. We got to pull a steering wheel cluster. I have to cut out this brace because we are going to try and mount it right there in the radio spot. Make a bracket or something to bolt it down. I think that's going to be pretty cool. I know when people first started swapping K-Series into EF, I seen one a long time ago. Somebody did one in a CRX. So we are going to try and do that once again. I don't think it'll be too hard, and I think it'll look cool. So that's pretty much what's going to be going on for the rest of the day. I don't know if I'm going to end the video here, but if I am, I will roll the outro. If not, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I was editing and realized I did not close out the video, so that's it. Done. But we got the car all stripped, took all the parts off, sent to the junkyard as you've seen in the video. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, we're trying to grow the channel this year. That's the goal. So next video we should be working on the EF. We'll show you that. We got some goodies for the car. So guys, like I said before, if you want to see more shenanigans and the build of the F and rally car, please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, and share. See you guys later. Deuces.